And
I've
the
seen a lot.
irony is the new Scrum guide uses the word accountability all over the place, which I love. But leaders in those organizations will say, well, we need higher accountability. Stop expecting them to have adult daycare providers then.
I've told pretty much every team I've been on, I already have a 4-year-old. I don't need any more. And I will not be putting your socks and shoes on for you. I do that every morning, right? I don't, we're all adults here. You expect me to be adults in the way that I work with you. So how about you handle your own business as well? So, and generally people kind of laugh and they go, oh, you're right. I don't need another mother. And you're like, okay, good. We're on the same page then.
Good. And I think, a lot of it is this bad Scrum mastery that perpetuates some of it. And in defense of people who are potentially those bad actors, they may not know any better. Or it's this sensationalization or this big business that Agile and Scrum has become for a lot of organizations, because there are no shortage of companies just, you can be Agile in these 12 steps or take this pill or buy this program. And it doesn't resemble Scrum at all, but an organization buys into it, just because it's got the word Agile on it.